Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are with our polygons practice. This is our first review. I have others for you, but this is the first one to begin with, so this is just a walk through it. Please feel free to take notes as we go. Which figure below is not a polygon? You notice B, C, and D all work. A is the one that's different because it meets in the middle. This is what's throwing it off. If I had each of these separately, that would totally be a polygon. That'd be a polygon, but you put them together and it is not. Choose the figure below which satisfies the definition of a kite. Just look for the one that makes sense. Boom, there you go. Draw and label a figure that fits the given description. A regular quadrilateral. Regular means all sides and angles the same. So what four-side shape has all four sides and all four angles the same? Good old-fashioned square. Boy, that's a bad drawing. Okay. Cool. Equilateral hexagon. 1, 2, 3. Oop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Equilateral means all sides the same. If it's not drawn perfectly, it's fine. Just make sure you tick marks to show that they're the same. Okay. Number 4. If ON equals 2 times the quantity x plus 5, which is right here, and LM is 7x minus 25. Find the value of x given that LM and O is a parallelogram. You must show all work. Opposite sides are congruent, so I can set them equal. Okay. Multiply the 2 in. 2x plus 10 equals 7x minus 25. I can subtract 2x over. I can then add 25 over. 35 equals 5x. X equals 7. If you got the time, plug it back in, you'll be in good shape. Number 5. Use the diagrams and the given information to solve the variables. You must show all work to receive full credit. 5a. Opposite sides are congruent, so 1/2 y equals 4. Sorry. The opposite of divide by 2 is multiply by 2. That cancels out. Y equals 8. Okay, no big deal. As far as my x's go, 5x minus 6 equals 3x. I can add 6 over. I could subtract 3x to the left. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 3. Okay. Part B. Opposite angles are congruent. So 3 times the quantity x minus 1 equals 7x minus 51. Distribute the 3 in. 3x minus 3 equals 7x minus 51. Much like before, I'm going to subtract 3x over. I'm going to add 51 over. So I get 4x equals 48. X equals 12. Alright. To get y, I know the angles next to each other have to add up to 180. So I need to plug this in. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 times 3 is 33 degrees. You do the same thing over here. You'll end up with the same thing. Okay. So now I know that 33 plus 5y plus 2 equals 180. 33 and 2 is 35. If I subtract 35 from 180, I get 145. Y equals 29. Okay? So, same process, just knowing properties of parallelograms. Alright, these are mid-segments. How I know that? They're cutting the sides in half. 1, 1, 2, 2. To find this right here, to find RT, it's 1/2 outside that together. So 9 plus 12 is 21. 21 divided by 2, 10.5. Okay, and part D is the same thing. RT is equal to 1/2 18 plus 22. So that's supposed to be a 22 right there. It looks like a 32, doesn't it? Alright, 40 divided by 2 is 20. There we go. Okay. Looking good so far. Please feel free to ask questions. This one is all messed up, but I'm going to show it to you anyway right here. It says this is the ST is 24, and I have down here 38. Let's just leave it 38. Alright, same idea. If you have a mid segment, which I have here, you are doing 2 times the inside and making it equal to the outsides added together. Let's see here, 2 times 38 gives me 76. 4x and 3x is 7x plus 3. I can subtract 3 from both sides. 73 equals 7x. Divide by 7. X equals 73 over 7, or, using my calculator, let's see here, 73 divided by 7, 10.43. Okay. Pardon me. Nothing too crazy. It's just knowing to double the inside. Okay. Area formulas. Okay, 7a through d. This is a trapezoid. My bases are B1, B2, and my height's the perpendicular distance between them. I don't need the 22. So here's my formula. 1/2 h B1 plus B2. H is 20. 13 plus 25. Okay, just using calculator. 0.5 times 20 times 13 plus 25. 380. And again, units squared. Okay. This is a kite. Alright, so my formula is 1/2 d1 times d2. The whole diagonal is these two things added together and those two things added together. So it's d1 would be 4 plus 4 is 8. d2 would be 3 plus 8, which is 11. Multiply this all the way across. 44 units squared. Please make sure you remember units squared. We'll remind you, but please remind yourself. Part C is a parallelogram. Okay, the area of a parallelogram is base times height. Your base is 40. My height is not 20, but 17. Okay, so 40 times 17, 680 units squared. And finally, a rhombus, which is the same thing as a kite. 8 and 8 is 16, 11 and 11 is 22. So we're looking at, let's see here, 0.5 times 16 times 22, 176. Okay. So, again, those formulas will be given to you. Please do not worry about that. Finally, the last few parts here, use the given information or given formulas and information to solve what is asked. You must show all work to receive full credit. The figure below is made up of 2 squares with areas shown. What's the length of x? Alright, this is the area of this box. You're trying to figure out what the side length is down here. So since these are both squares, what number times itself gives you 8100? Well, what you could think about is just taking the square root of it. Square root of 8100 gives me 90. That means this is 90, this is 90, so on and so forth. And I'm doing the exact same thing over here. Square root of 1600. 40, 40, 40. Well, I want the entire length across, which is just 90 plus 40. Okay, so you're looking at 130 units. We can only do that square root thing for squares. Please keep that in mind. Okay, don't just get trigger happy with that. Part B, the area of a triangle equals 21 inches squared and its base equals 6 inches. What's the triangle's height? Here's your formula, guys. 1/2 base times height. They're giving you the area as 21 inches squared. They're giving you the base as 6. You want the height. Half of 6 is 3, so if I divide both sides by 3, I get my height is 7 inches. Don't forget units, okay? You can just play around with numbers until it works too. It's totally fine. Then finally down here, this area of the rectangle is 60 square units. Find the value of x. So the area of a rectangle is length times width. There's your length, there's your width. They're telling me that the area is 60 units, so I'm putting 60 in for A. Now my L is 2x minus 1, my width is 10. Multiply this in. 60 equals 20x minus 10. Pardon me. Add 10, add 10. 7 equals 20x. Okay. Divide 70 by 20. Oops. Three and a half. Yeah. Okay. So there's your first review. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in class. And as always, keep up the good work. Good luck. We're all counting on you.